Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into something truly mind-blowing, a Linux system running inside a PDF file. It's a project on GitHub, 2210/LinuxPDF, and it's absolutely wild.
Whoa, a Linux distro in a PDF? That sounds impossible. How on earth does that even work? I'm intrigued.
Right? It leverages the surprisingly powerful JavaScript capabilities embedded within the PDF format itself. PDFs aren't just static documents, they can actually run JavaScript code. This project uses that to run a RISC-V emulator, which in turn runs a Linux kernel.
So the PDF acts as a container? But isn't that a massive security risk?
That's a great point. It absolutely is a security risk, which is why browsers only implement a limited subset of the PDF JavaScript API. But this project uses the full Adobe Acrobat implementation, which is far more powerful, allowing for things like 3D rendering and HTTP requests. Crazy stuff.
Incredible! So how does the input/output work? I mean, a PDF doesn't have a screen or keyboard.
Exactly. That's cleverly handled using ASCII characters to represent the screen pixels in text fields. Think of it like a very rudimentary text-based interface. Input is managed via a virtual keyboard implemented with buttons and a text box. It's ingenious, really.
I see. But the performance must be abysmal, right? Running a whole Linux kernel in a browser-based PDF.
You're absolutely right. The performance is, to put it mildly, dreadful. Booting the Linux kernel takes 30 to 60 seconds, over 100 times slower than normal. This is because Chrome's PDF engine disables the JIT compiler in its V8 JavaScript engine, severely impacting performance.
Oh, that's a bummer. So it's more of a proof of concept than a practical application then?
Precisely. It's a fantastic demonstration of what's possible, pushing the boundaries of what we think of as a PDF. The project uses a 32-bit build root system by default, but there's also a 64-bit Alpine Linux option, though even slower. It's all open source under the GPL 3.0 license, so you can check out the code and even try building it yourself, if you're brave enough.
Definitely checking it out. This is amazing. Thanks for highlighting this. The ingenuity is just wow.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Remember to check out the 2210/LinuxPDF repository on GitHub for more details. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye-bye.